Your backend used to be one service. Life was simple. A client makes a request, the service answers. Then you split it into microservices. Users, orders, payments, search, notifications, recommendations. A dozen small services, each owning its own data. And now the client has a problem. To render one single screen, it has to know about every single service and call each one directly. Every client, mobile, web, partner app. Each one learns every endpoint, speaks every protocol, and wires itself to your entire internal topology. The result is spaghetti. Dozens of arrows tangled in every direction, fragile and impossible to reason about. And every client has to re-implement the same cross-cutting concerns over and over. Authentication, authorization, rate limiting, logging. Imagine the auth check is duplicated across 10 clients. A token format changes, and you are now updating 10 different apps, hoping every team ships on the same day. There is no rate limiting either. One misbehaving client can hammer any service it wants, and there is no single choke point to stop it. When one service goes down, the client either crashes or silently breaks because it has no one to shield it from the failure. This is the nightmare. So we stop letting clients talk to services directly. We put one single entry point in front of everything. We call it the API gateway. Now every client sends one request to the gateway, and the gateway decides where it needs to go. Routing, centralized in one place. Authentication moves inside the gateway. Verify the token once right here before the request touches any service. Every client is protected by the same check. Rate limiting too. The gateway counts requests per client per second and rejects the excess before it overwhelms anything downstream. It can even aggregate. One request from the client fans out into calls to users, orders, and recommendations, then returns a single, combined response. And when a service fails, the gateway can fall back, cache, or return a clean error instead of letting the client fall apart. It becomes the circuit breaker. Cross-cutting concerns now live in exactly one place. Add logging, tracing, or a new policy once, and every client and every service benefits instantly. One door in. Routing, auth, rate limits, aggregation, and resilience all centralized. That is the API gateway.